Hello everyone, myself Master Ayush Vijay Devkar. I welcome you all to my channel Info Amway. Today I am going to tell you information about Vasaka Molethi and Surasa, a very nice combination of three Indian traditional herbs. Friends, I think you all had heard name of these three herbs, as these are the best source to keep our respiratory system healthy. Means if anyone's respiratory system is not working well, if anyone is getting problem while breathing, then he or she can take this product. It will help them to cure this problem. Friends, these are not medicines. These are health supplements which we have to take with our meal. Friends, Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa is very useful for our body. Means if you have diseases like asthma, TB, cancer, diabetes, etc., then Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa will help you to fight against these diseases. Especially it will help you to fight against COVID-19 coronavirus. Friends, now I'll tell you some benefits of Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa. Friends, it works in skin infections, lung infections, kidney, heart diseases, respiratory diseases, sore throat, sinuses, and many other benefits are there, like it supports and maintains respiratory health, contains ingredients known to have antioxidant properties. If you want to read this benefit, then you can pause the video and read it. Friends, Vasaka is very useful in asthma. Means it manages your asthma naturally by regular consuming it. Friends, nowadays it's very necessary to build our immunity due to COVID-19 coronavirus, and Vasaka Mulethi Surasa's main function is to keep our respiratory system healthy, and it supports immunity. It supports immunity by two types. First one, because of its quality, means I want to say because of its gundharma, and second one, it helps cure our other diseases, especially asthma. Means if anyone has asthma, then he or she can't exercise more, because while exercising they may get asthmatic attack. And also asthmatic people can't eat many things like eggs, cow milk, peanuts, soya, etc. And these things are very useful for our body, as they provide proteins, energy, carbohydrate and many other nutrients to our body. So friends, Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa will help you to solve this problem. Now I'll tell you information about all these three herbs individually. First, we'll see about Vasaka. Vasaka is Sanskrit word from Ayurveda. It is used in many Ayurvedic treatments. Friends, Vasaka is beneficial for skin infections, asthma, indigestion, TB, sinuses. It also helps for COVID-19, bleeding in gums and etc. diseases. Friends, Vasaka is originated in India. It is mostly found in India. Vasaka is a white colored flower mostly found in plain lands and also in the lower parts of mountains. Now, I'll tell you some benefits of Vasaka. Friends, Vasaka prevents coughing, reduces asthma, good for gut health, and also there are many other benefits of Vasaka, like prevents coughing, it's antiviral, it's effective on uremia. If you want to read these benefits, then you can pause the video and read it. Now we'll see about Mulethi. Friends, Mulethi is a type of medicinal plant. In Sanskrit, it's called as Mudhyeshti, and in English, it's called as licorice. It's sweet in taste. If it's used as a medicine, then it's very useful for many dangerous diseases. It supports liver health and is an antiseptic that helps to calm the stomach. Friends, I think you all had heard name of Jeshtamat. It's very useful for our throat. It clears our voice and performs many other things. Friends, Jeshtamat is Marathi name of Mulethi. It is also an expectorant and decongestant that can help fight respiratory infections. There is some evidence that Mulethi in small amount can be used to decrease sugar cravings. Now I'll tell you some benefits of Mulethi. It boosts immunity, controls cholesterol, treats skin disorders, keep your liver healthy, respiratory and digestive disorders, reduces stress and depressions, and there are many other benefits of Mulethi. If you want to read these benefits, then you can pause the video and read it clearly. So friends, now we'll see about Surasa. Friends, Surasa is the second name of Tulsi. As you all know, that Tulsi helps us fighting many diseases. It supports immunity. Tulsi is the most commonly used Ayurvedic herb in India and also in many other countries. Each part of Tulsi is useful for human body, as you all know. Friends, Tulsi is found almost in each house of India. Friends, there are many benefits of Tulsi. It increases immunity, it makes our mouth smell fresh, it helps fighting many dangerous diseases like asthma, TB, cancer, and etc. It decreases cholesterol level. Tulsi is a multifunctional herb. Friends, I think you all had observed one thing, that these three herbs, Vasaka, Mulethi, and Surasa, are nearly related to each other. That's why Amway has made a very nice product by the combination of these three herbs, and nowadays you should consume that product. And why only consuming Nutralite, Vasaka, Mulethi, Surasa? There is only one reason, that you can't get these three herbs in market in pure form. But Amway is giving you the pure rich form of Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa. And friends, if you need this product, then you can contact on the number given on your screen. And you can get it in any part of India from us by 10% discount. So, thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.